Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to open a binary file. Now I've already got a binary file here on my desktop and this is the file that we're wanting to be opening. So let's get on with the program. So first of all, create a subroutine called open binary. And we're going to create a path to my desktop and to that particular file. So I'm going to create a variable, a scalar variable called path, and it's going to go to my desktop because that's where the file is. So it's going to be C users Spark desktop. Okay, and we want the binary file here, so let's go into properties, open it up, and that's what it's called. So I'm going to copy and paste that so I don't make any mistakes. Let's go back here, paste that into there. Okay, so this is the path on my desktop. It won't be your desktop path, so you'll have to find your own unique desktop path, or else if you try and run this line of code here, it'll fail. Okay, so all we have to do now is chdir. We're going to change directory to that path, and we should be in that path. Okay, and we're going to print a message to the user telling them opening binary file. Okay. Right, so we're going to open the binary file. We're going to type in open, and that's going to be my scalar file. And we're going to do this raw here, because this function is used to open the file in binary mode. And then the scalar path where the file is, then an error handler or die, and just a short error message, couldn't open file. Okay, what to do it, so let's just check that, make sure that looks okay. Right, so now we're going to do my scalar file and create a variable here called file content. And we're going to do a while. We're going to use read here. Scalar file. I'm going to use my scalar buffer. So we're going to use the read function to read the content of the file in chunks. And the buffer 12024, which I'm going to do now, 1024. The buffer here specifies that the read function should read up to 10 bytes of data. I think it's 10 bytes of data. Okay, so what we're going to do over there. We're going to do the scalar file content. dot scalar buffer. Okay, and then once we finish, we're going to close the file. Then we're going to print a message to the user, print content is. Let's do a new line, scalar file, content. Okay. Let's just save that. Just going to run this now. Open binary. Let's run it. Okay, and that went a little bit fast, but there we go, we've opened the binary file. So, Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that.